Hey guys, I want this moon melon, please. I am poor. I have 20 shekels, please. Please. If you don't, I will ban you. Please. I want the fruit. Hello, Ok. Please give me fruit. Can you give me fruit, please? Please, can you give me fruit? Please. I am poor. Please. Please, fruit. I want a moon melon. Please, I am poor. I have only 20 shekels. Please, I am not lying. Please, I want this. I want this one and this one. Uy. Please, I want this Elder strawberry and sugar apple and moon melon. Please. Please. I believe in you. Please. Please, can you give me this? I wanna check the price. Please. Hello. Give me that mushroom. Go. I want this beanstalk. I want this. I want this firework flower. Yes. This, I want this flower. I want this firework flower. I don't care about the tutorial. My favorite game is Grow a Garden. Please, please. What is the English? What is the translate of this?